Welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how you can pair your SoundCore Life P2i with your Android phone. So first of all, you have to remember to simply remove this foil from this part. It will be located right here for both earbuds. And then put them to the case and charge at least to the 50%. Next, when you make it and open this case, you have to click and hold this button. It's located at the bottom to move them to the pairing mode. As you can see in my case, the pairing mode is activated automatically. But if this is not working in your case, you have to just click and hold this button and take a look on these indicators. So when it starts blinking, you have to go for the Bluetooth settings on your phone and click to pair new device. In my case, they already appears on the list, so I can just simply tap on them once. And as you can see, after a few seconds, there will be pairing request and we can accept it, and right now we are connected. So that's how it looks. If you find it helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.